Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike SB Charge Suede. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike SB Charge Suede skateboarding shoes, and this pair is in a men's UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 44, and it's in a women's US size 11.5, and this pair is in the Chutney white Tawny colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid to reveal the contents inside. And let's peel back the wrapping paper to reveal the Nike SB Charge Suede in the Chutney white Tawny colorway. And let's lift out the left shoe and focus on the left shoe first. So let's set the box to the side. And let's do a 360 rotation of this Nike SB Charge Suede so you have a full and clear view of this skateboarding shoe. And this is actually the right shoe, so let's set the right shoe down to the side and bring the box back in view. And let's pop out the left shoe this time. So having the left shoe in view, let's do a 360 rotation again. So now probably looking at the Nike SB Charge Suede and the left shoe. So just let me set the right shoe more towards the side so it doesn't interfere with the foreground as we look at this left shoe. So taking a close-up look, we can see that it does have a suede upper and it is extremely soft. You can hear as I run my index finger along its surface, it does have a very fine nap on it. And taking a look at the other details as we move along the shoe towards the midfoot area, we can see the tawny or brown Nike swoosh with a leather grain texture. And moving towards the back, we see the heel counter, and taking a look from the back, giving you some idea of the shape and silhouette of this pair of Nike SB Charge Suede. And once again taking a look at the close-up details so we can see that very soft and fine nap of the suede upper cover. And once again we see the extended bumper for increased wear and durability of the skateboarding shoe. Right around the front of the shoe in the forefoot area, around the tip towards the front sides. So once again giving you a look at this men's UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 44 shoe, or women's US size 11.5 in the Tawny and Chutney white colorway. And let's take a close-up look from the front to the back of the shoe. We can see finely textured front extended bumper as we move towards the top of the toe box and towards the midfoot area, and as we move towards the top of the shoe with the Nike SB branding on the tongue label, and towards the inside and ankle collar of the shoe. Let's pop out the paper stuffing so we have a clear view inside the shoe, and of course giving you some idea of the padding of the tongue, which is nicely padded with a medium level of padding inside. And taking a look inside, we can see it does have the Solarsoft sock liner or insole with the blue border or edging around that insole, and we can see the Solarsoft script as well, or text, on that blue edge of the insole or sock liner. And in terms of the padding around the ankle collar and heel collar as well, there is a light to medium level of padding, as you can see, just pressing down and compressing that padding around those areas. And taking a look at the sole of the shoe, we can see the radial herringbone pattern from the ball of the foot spreading outwards to the rest of the length of the shoe. So right there, just giving you a full view of the shoe with its bottom or outsole in a very dark color, which is nearly black. And to give you some idea of the texture and grip, just pressing down with my finger to give you some idea of the thickness or thinness of the outsole as well. Right there, you can hear the grippiness of the sole, and of course the Nike swoosh towards the heel area. And now let's do a flex and bend test with my hands to give you some idea of the pliability of the shoe. Just right there, giving you some idea of the way the shoe moves. Simply with my hands shifting and moving. The shoe. Okay, now let's take a look at the right shoe. So just setting the left shoe back down and to the side. And this time around, taking a look at the right shoe of the Nike SB Charge Suede in the Chutney White Tawny colorway. So once again, we see those colors up close and in detail. The Chutney, or kind of orangey brown color, and the overall shape and design of the skateboarding shoe. And now let's take a look at the pair together. And side by side as well, from the front to the back. And directly from the back, we can see the pair together. And the outsole as well, or bottom of the shoes. So that's the Nike SB Charge Suede in the Chutney White Tawny colorway. Thanks for watching and happy skateboarding!